our chicken tortilla soup in a different way. We're gonna thicken it up and put it on top of a baked sweet potato. So that should be really good. It's just another way when you make a really big meal to use it multiple times so nothing's wasted. And if there's anything left over from today, I'm just gonna freeze it. I bought some freezer bags, so I'll just pop it in the freezer and then I can de-thaw it when we need a quick meal one evening or a lunch or something. So I am going to attempt to make sweet potatoes in the very lovely, handy dandy toaster oven, which is a beast. This thing usually stays under the camper because it's so big. There's nowhere for it to go. We just get it out when we need it. But yeah, so we're gonna attempt to bake some sweet potatoes in there. So again, I thought I would record it and you guys could see just how to do it and how it turns out. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna wash our sweet potatoes since they're dirty. These are some nice big sweet potatoes. I bought these at Trader Joe's yesterday. They're huge, so they're great to bake. So that should make a really good meal. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and turned on my toaster oven to 400 degrees on bake. And I went ahead and just turned it on so it can kind of like heating up really well. And now I'm just going to put some oil kind of all over these just to get them good and oiled up. Toaster oven. Alright, so I covered them in some olive oil, and now I'm just going to pop them in the toaster oven for anywhere from like 40 minutes to an hour. Take a fork and just kind of jab a few holes. We're just going to pop them in the oven. Put a drip pan underneath. And got my timer, so we'll see what happens in 40 minutes. Hope these are good. I did just learn that you can bake sweet potatoes in your Instapot, so if this doesn't work, that's probably what I'll do next time. But I hope this warms the camper up too, because it's still really cold. The soup on the stove just to get it good and hot. I drained some of the juice, that way it could be a little bit thicker. And then we're just going to put this right on top of the sweet potato. So I will show you the finished product. Now I've cleaned. Hey babe, she just took a poop and I'm in the middle of a video.